Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you all my summer morning routine. Typically I wake up on a weekday and I'll go to F45, but because it was a Sunday, I slept in a little bit longer and I don't go to the gym on a Sunday, it's my day off. So I just woke up, checked my phone. I'm trying not to check my phone as much, but I still do check my phone in the morning, to be completely honest, guys. And then I head into the kitchen and make myself a tea usually because I don't like coffee first thing in the morning. I'm just having a regular tea, but like English breakfast, but sometimes I'll make green tea or peppermint tea. It really just depends what I feel like drinking that day. And I always have almond milk in my tea because normal milk makes me feel sick. I'm gonna go put some music on my record player. To be completely honest, I do often just use my phone or my laptop, but it is nice to play a record every once in a while. And now I'm heading into the bathroom. I'm going to wash my face and I'm actually going to apply a face mask. I had a pretty big day of work yesterday. I got on a flight and back to Byron, so I really want a mask that's going to hydrate my skin. So I'm going to be using the Frank Body Glow Mask. This is also really good if you guys have had a big night out or you just have really dehydrated skin that you want to rejuvenate. It's also 100% cruelty-free, natural, and you only need to leave it on your skin for 5 minutes. So I'm just going to apply that to my skin and it's going to be really good at reducing puffiness and giving my skin some extra life. Whilst that settles into my skin, I'm just going to go grab a seat on my couch. I have a blue couch. It's my favorite thing ever. And I'm going to drink my tea and also just do some work on my laptop. Sometimes I'll watch YouTube videos. If it's a morning where I need to go to work, I might not even have time to do this, but because it's a weekend, I got time. After about 5 minutes or so, I'm going to jump in the shower and wash off that face mask. It comes off super easy, like it's not like a mask that you have to scrub your whole face to get off, which is really good. Because it's summer, I want my skin to look nice and glowy, and I also need to scrub off an old fake tan. So I'm going to be using the Frank Body Coffee Scrub. I've got the original, this new green tin one, which I'm so excited to try. But today I'm going to be taking this one. And this is the Frank Body Shimmer Scrub. It's amazing at exfoliating, moisturizing, and glowing your skin. So I'm going to scrub that all over my body. It also smells so good and it just gives you a really nice natural shimmer to your skin. And this would make the cutest Christmas present ever because the packaging is so cute and it's like glittery and shimmery, which is perfect for the holiday season. Now I'm going to show you guys my morning summer smoothie, which I make every single day. I take 1 banana, some blueberries, some vanilla protein from Tropica, alkaline greens from Tropica, some spinach, a quarter of an avocado, and some almond milk. And it seems like a lot, but it keeps me full literally until like 1 p.m. Oh, and I also use the Glow Powder by The Beauty Chef. I just make this in the morning because it gets all of my nutrients in for the day, and because it's got so much packed into it, it keeps me nice and full until like 1 p.m, which is amazing. Then I just blend it up, and if it's a weekday, I'll take this with me to work and drink it at work, but because it's a Sunday, I'm going to drink it at home today. And this is my silly straw that Blake rebent for me. Cheers! I'm just going to sit down, chill out for about half an hour and drink my smoothie and wait for my pores on my skin to close up before I apply a fresh tan. And now I'm going to be applying a fresh new tan, and I find that because of the scrub, it just applies onto my skin so well. I don't really know how to explain it, but because the body scrub has avocado oil in it, it really just helps the tan to stick to my skin really nicely. And once I've applied that to my skin and let it dry for about 10 minutes, I'm just going to go and do my makeup for the day. So I just took my hair out because it was kind of annoying me, and I've applied a fresh layer of tan onto my skin, and so now I'm going to do my makeup for the day. Typically in the summer I like to go for something that's quite glowy and also protects my skin from the sun because it's so intense. Blake and I are just going to be heading down to get some coffees and go to the beach and stuff, so I don't want to go too heavy, so I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to use. Starting out with the Clinique Moisture Surge Moisturizer. On top of that, I'm going to put this 50 Plus sunscreen, and then to give my skin a really nice glow, I'm going to be using the Frank Body Illuminator. It's really cool because you can actually put this all over your body. You can mix it with your moisturizer if you want like a really intense all over glow. I'm just going to put it on certain points of my face underneath my makeup and then a little bit on top, and I'm also going to put it on my shoulders and my décolletage to give my skin a really nice glow on my body as well. So it's a really nice versatile product. And then instead of using a foundation, I'm going to be taking a CC cream. This one is by IT Cosmetics and it's also 50 plus, so really good. And this is just going to make sure that my face matches my neck, because at the moment I have a white face and a brown body and it's not a good look. So I'm just taking that illuminator again and I'm going to put a little bit more on my cheekbones. Such a beautiful like natural glow. And I'm going to put some right here, if you guys can see. Oh. I'm going to finish off my makeup with some mascara and brow product, and then let's go to the beach.